7 recipes using boiling eggs to lose weight. Hi and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Wanna eat scrumptious meals and lose some weight? With our selection of 7 boiled egg recipes that are great for losing weight, we've got you covered. In addition to being a fantastic source of protein, boiled eggs are also loaded with vital elements. These dishes are simple to prepare, adaptable and suitable for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Prepare to include boiled eggs, a nutritional powerhouse in your weight loss efforts, and enjoy delicious meals that will keep you content and on track to your objectives. Number 1. Avocado Quinoa Salad, 440 calories. Avocado quinoa salad is a nutritious and filling dish that is perfect for weight loss. This salad combines the goodness of creamy avocado, protein-rich quinoa, and a variety of fresh vegetables to create a satisfying and flavorful meal. Avocado is packed with healthy fats that promote satiety, while quinoa provides a complete source of plant-based protein. Together, they make a winning combination to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Here are the specific ingredients for avocado quinoa salad. 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 ripe avocado diced, 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1/2 cup cucumber diced, 1/4 cup red onion finely chopped, 1/4 cup fresh cilantro chopped, juice of 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste. Process for making avocado quinoa salad. Number 2. Red beans and tomato salad, 270 calories. Red beans and tomato salad is a healthy and satisfying recipe that is perfect for weight loss. This salad combines protein and fiber-rich red beans with fresh tomatoes, herbs, and a tangy dressing, creating a flavorful and nutritious meal. Red beans are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, which help you keep feeling full and support a healthy digestive system. Here are the specific ingredients for red beans and tomato salad. 1 can of red kidney beans, rinsed and drained. 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved. 1/4 cup red onion finely chopped. 1/4 cup fresh cilantro. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Here is the process for making red beans and tomato salad. Number 3. Carrot egg salad recipe, 290 calories. Carrot egg salad is a nutritious and flavorful recipe that is perfect for those looking to lose weight. This salad combines the crunchiness of carrots with protein-rich boiled eggs, creating a satisfying and balanced meal. Carrots are packed with vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, while boiled eggs provide high-quality protein and essential nutrients. Here are the specific ingredients for carrot egg salad. 2 cups grated carrots, 2 boiled eggs chopped, 2 tablespoons Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh parsley, salt and pepper to taste. And here is the process for making carrot egg salad. Hey guys, can you do me a favor and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help support our channel. While you're down there, why not hit subscribe too? Alright, let's go back to the number 4 food recipe. Number 4. Green salad with boiled eggs recipe, 410 calories. Green salad with boiled eggs is a nutritious and satisfying recipe that is perfect for those aiming to lose weight. This salad combines the freshness of mixed greens with protein-packed boiled eggs, creating a balanced and flavorful meal. Green leafy vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, while boiled eggs provide high-quality protein and essential nutrients. Here are the specific ingredients for green salad with boiled eggs. 4 cups mixed greens, 2 boiled egg slices, 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1/2 cucumber sliced, 1/4 red onion thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Here is the process for making green salad with boiled eggs. Number 5. Tuna and egg salad, 350 calories. Tuna and egg salad is a protein-packed and satisfying recipe that's perfect to weight loss. This salad combines the goodness of tuna, boiled eggs, and fresh vegetables, creating a delicious and nutritious meal. Tuna is a great source of lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, while boiled eggs add more protein and essential nutrients to keep you feeling full and energized. Here are the specific ingredients for tuna egg salad. 1 can tuna in water drained, 2 boiled eggs chopped, 1/2 cup fresh cherry tomatoes, 1/4 cup cucumber diced, 1/4 cup bell pepper diced, 2 tablespoons light mayonnaise or Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Here is the process for making tuna and egg salad. Number 6. Spinach and egg breakfast muffins, 180 calories. Spinach and egg breakfast muffins are a low-calorie and convenient option for a weight loss breakfast. These muffins combine the goodness of spinach, boiled eggs, and cheese to create a portable and satisfying meal. Spinach is packed with vitamins and minerals, while eggs provide protein and essential nutrients. Here are the specific ingredients for spinach and egg breakfast muffins. 6 boiled eggs chopped, 2 cups fresh spinach chopped, 1/2 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup milk, salt and pepper to taste. Here is the process for making spinach and egg breakfast muffins. Number 7. Egg and vegetable stir fry, 300 calories. Egg and vegetable stir fry is a quick and healthy recipe for weight loss. This stir fry combines scrambled eggs with an assortment of colorful vegetables, creating a tasty and satisfying dish. Vegetables provide essential nutrients and fiber, while eggs add protein to keep you feeling full and nourished. Here are the specific ingredients for egg and vegetable stir fry. And here is the process for making egg and vegetable stir fry. And that concludes our list of 7 recipes using boiling eggs to lose weight. Do you happen to know any boiling egg recipes that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!